Unang labas sa freeway. Takot pa siya. Pero nung ngayon, nagustuhan na niya. Hindi daw masyadong maraming stop. Highway 101 going to Blossom Hill Road. Time check 7 p.m. Pero maliwanag pa guys, no? Basta summer dito, maliwanag pa. Alas 8 may araw pa. Bakit mo sinasabi wala naman nagtatanong? Wala, gusto ko lang. Walang pakialamanan. Kung ano lang trip. little bit gas. You're below 60.
No, it's because they're turning in my lane.
No,
They were.
you stay in their lane.
No, they were going in my lane. So I wanted to slow down.
Oh, but you have to be running 60. At least 60.
I was just slowing down for them. I saw them.
Wait, slow down, slow down. Look at this guy.
Oh, wow. Sorry.
Hey, hey. You don't see the bump?
I did, but
Why
like,
you don't avoid it?
I don't want to like go to the next lane. Because you're
At least you
always
can slow
scaring
down.
me, and you're always like around the whole.
At least you can slow down. No, at least we slow down when you see the bump. Or we're gonna break your tires. You don't want a flat tire, right?
Because I always get scared of people. I'm scared of people always think I'm slow. That's what they're gonna do. And you always say that don't go too slow, or else they'll go.
A little bit gas. You're too far.
I don't know, I keep on seeing like a lot of cars.
You're too far from the car in front of you. And you're only running 55.
No, I was running 60 before, and then I saw some cars. And it's like, wait, for traffic.
Yeah, you slow down when the lane is not straight, you slow down. You just release the gas, you know.
Sorry, I saw that. I'm trying to slow down.
Now you know where's the bump, huh? Don't stay in this lane next time. Stay in the other lane.
Yeah, you know.
You wanna break your car.
That's annoying.
Almost exit, the next exit, okay?
Next exit.
Blossom Hill.
Okay.
You have to memorize, you know.
Oh yeah, Blossom Hill. I remember.
How many
when we
times
said
we've been here already?
that. One.
No, when you're in school,
Oh wait. Oh, I thought you meant.
2 years already. 3 years. Give a little gas, you're too slow.
Sorry.
Okay, slow down. You see the braking already. When you see brake light, you have to brake also. Brake or release your gas. That's it.
That one over there.
Mhm. And signal. Always signal when you exit, okay?
Yeah. Because I don't know what's the right time to signal. That's why.
When you're close, right? And you know where we're going, right or left?
Right.
Okay. Stay. Order ni Bobby to. Gulay. Healthy yan be, healthy. Ayun pala. Wow, laki order Bobby to. Ihalo mo na. Anong order nila? Soup din sila?
Yes.
Ihaloin mo para malusot. Yung bill.
Stiso ah. Meron dito ng Amerikano. Aba, may soup ka? Free? Ayos ah. Ba, inaalam pa. Para dalawa na tayo.
Hindi, dalhin mo.
Laki. Ha? Gusto mo ito pag yan, hindi. Gusto mo yan, hindi.
Very Juliet.
May stiso akong kasama.
Napasobra sa libo dagat. Kaya nagkaganito buhok.
Gulay.
Oh my God.
Day-off na day-off ko. Tawag ng tawag ng mga
Baka mahulog mo
empleyado
yung mga
sa
bito.
akin.
Lagay mo naman dito.
Crispy
Grabe
noodle.
naman, ang laki naman ng subo ah. Gamay-gamay, diha gamay.
Ano ko yung natin mo?
I love you, Juliet. down, slow down. We're gonna go there. We're gonna exit the freeway. Here,
Where? Here?
yeah. Oh no, the next one, the next one. Next one, yeah, that one. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Slow down here, slow down here. Maybe there's stoplight there. Okay, go, go. It's okay, it's okay.
Am I doing good?
Yeah, yeah. Stay in your lane. Maybe you can change to your left. Change lane, change lane. Hey, look at your shoulder. You don't look. You don't look. You have to look your shoulder. One more. Hey, slow down, slow down. Hold on. Say, hey.